Okay, so in this video, we're going to fire up Xcode for the first time and do our first Hello World program, which is super exciting. So basically, the way I typically start up Xcode on a Mac is I will do Command Space, which will give me the Spotlight search, and then I type in like XCO, like I'm going to spell out Xcode. It completes it for me, and I can hit Enter. It's right there at the top. Now, you're not going to have a list of projects over here on the right. You're basically going to get this welcome screen. And what you want to do is just say, create a new Xcode project. So you're going to click on that plus right there. Once you've done that, you're going to get a bunch of choices up here. And a lot of times in the course, we're going to be doing iOS because we're doing apps. But early on, we're going to do something simpler than that. And so what we want to do is go to Mac OS, and we're going to pick this command line tool right here. So Mac OS command line tool, hit next. Now we can give it a name. I'm going to just call it Hello World. I will hit next again, and I'm going to let it create it on my desktop. That's fine. I'll hit create, and now I've created my first project, and I'm ready to start doing my Hello World program. Now over here on the left, you'll see some files. There's a directory here and another directory, and then this main.swift file. That's the file that you want to work with. So as I click the main.swift file, I see that they've already printed something for us. They've created the print command, and in here there's a text string that says hello world. And so they've already coded this up for us. That's what you're going to get every time you start a new project that's Mac OS command line. And this is something that we can just run now and see what happens. So to do that, Command B is what you're going to use to build. That stands for building or compiling. That is going to convert all of this down to ones and zeros that a computer can understand to do what you need it to do. And then to run it, we can come up here and click on this little play button, or I'd like to do Command R, which will do a run. So what we should see is when this runs, our console window will pop up down here at the bottom. And this is where, let's expand this just a little bit, and I can close this out on the right. And so here we have our code running, and here is the console window, and look what it says. It says Hello World right here. So that's your first assignment, is basically fire up Xcode and get Hello World to actually print in the console.